Can just the sight of someone yawning make you yawn too? The MythBusters team set out to determine if yawning is truly contagious. In their initial experiment, the build team tested 10 people across 3 different scenarios: a control test, a test involving the reading of tax law, and a test where Scotty yawned near the subjects. The results were inconclusive as yawns occurred primarily during the reading of the tax law, which suggested the sample size was too small. Although the difference was only 4% and not statistically significant at alpha 0.5%, the data suggested a slight increase in yawning due to the presence of another person yawning. This was enough for the MythBusters to deem the myth confirmed, albeit with the caveat that the effect is relatively small.